Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be answering a few questions you've asked regarding knives, tins, etc. Please subscribe and please share. And now we'll get right on with the video. One of the questions you've asked me is, where do I get my knives from? Well, this particular knife and the other one I got, which is in the bakery, these were given to me free. But you can buy them. I'm not selling them, obviously, but you can buy them from a place called Nisbets down in Bristol. I will share the link with you. It'll be down in the description below the video. They aren't cheap, but they're very good. You can get cheaper versions, but this has lasted me for ages. I mean, I think I've had this now, 12 or 15 years. So it just shows how long they last. And remember, I'm a professional and I use this all the time. Obviously now this one's particularly at home, I won't be using it as much. But when you go down in Nisbets, there's a big Wackengirt showroom. So you will see lots and lots of equipment. They've got so much down there, it's unbelievable. Also, they have a second-hand area where things have been delivered and returns. You can buy them at a reduced price. So it is a very good place to go. Now, one of the other questions you've been asking me about is my paper I use. This is silicone paper. This comes from the bakery industry, and I use a place called Baker Western, which supplies me sheets of this stuff. But also, you can buy the same product on rolls in Booker's Cash and Carry. They come in round about that size, and it comes on a roll when you just take it off. It is actually baking parchment, and it's really good stuff. I use it all the time in the kitchen. At home, because I got this on tap in the bakery, I just bring this home with me. The others down in the coffee shop or bakery shop. The other question you've asked me is, where do I get my trays from? Well, once again, these come from Booker's Cash and Carry. I will share the link with you down below in the description. They aren't cheap by a long shot, but really, really good. And lucky enough for you guys, I actually went round the store the other day and filmed a little bit of the shelves, so you can actually see them on the shelves. So if you look, as we go along, we've got all the plastic pans and buckets and stuff on the side. And as we move along, you can see all the trays. There's a nice big selection of different sizes of trays. You can find the sizes on the net. They do have a store, an online place where you can actually go in and see what they have actually got in store, because sometimes you go in there, they've got so much stuff, I get lost in. And if you haven't got a Booker's Cash and Carry near you, you can also get them at a Macro store. I believe Macro is also online, the same as Booker's. And to believe it or not, both stores are actually owned by Tesco's. So it's a part of their group. So there is things in Macro and Booker's that you can actually get cheaper than you can buy in the Tesco store itself. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please share. Now if you've got any questions about this video or any other videos, do plonk them down below the video and I'll get back to you very shortly. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking, lifestyle, recipes, reviews, I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!